The EIS extension identifies an installer error information summary file containing diagnostic data from failed software installation attempts. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you analyze or troubleshoot these installation error log files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like EIS. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. EIS files are error summary files generated during failed software installations, recording error codes, diagnostic messages, and installation state information. They help technical support diagnose installation failures and identify resolution steps for unsuccessful software deployments. EIS files typically use plain text format with timestamped entries containing error codes, module identifiers, failed operation descriptions, and system state information captured during the installation failure for diagnostic analysis. The reliable first choice for the EIS file type is Windows Installer developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows provides a generic icon but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows provides straightforward support for reading and modifying text files. Let's find the winning application, right-click your EIS file, and select Open With. If Windows Installer is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. If your EIS file will not open yet, do not panic. The error is a consequence of the EIS format's specific requirements. Here is a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, analyzing errors. Open the EIS file in any text editor and search for error failed or specific error code keywords. Note the sequence of events leading to the failure. Identify the specific installation step where the error occurred for targeted troubleshooting. Next, common solutions. Common installation errors recorded in EIS files include insufficient disk space, missing dependencies, permission denied, and conflicting software. Address the specific error condition identified in the EIS summary and retry the installation. Finally, sharing with support. Attach EIS files to technical support requests when reporting installation failures. The error summary provides support engineers with the diagnostic information needed to identify the root cause and recommend specific resolution steps for your installation issue. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.